Imagine what your business would look like if training your cleaning staff was easier, more effective, and a lot less expensive. What would it mean to you personally if training the new person was so completely automated that a new employee could start while you're on vacation? Training is one of the most important things we do as cleaning business owners, period. When it's broken or weak, the cost goes right to the bottom line, and all too often we don't even realize it. Hi, I'm Debbie Sardo, and I've made over $20 million cleaning houses. Now that's a lot of dirty toilets and a lot of employees to manage and train. I own one of the largest residential cleaning businesses in the world, yet I've achieved total freedom from my business by systemizing everything that used to require my involvement or my personal supervision. Training new employees can be one of the most frustrating parts of this business. If you are tired of doing the training yourself or frustrated with the inconsistent results of your trainers and fed up with high employee turnover, this program is for you. The Speed Cleaning for the Pros employee training system will enable you to improve quality, retain the best employees, reduce payroll costs, and increase production rates. Most training courses only train one person. I had to learn the hard way that there are 3 people that have to be trained in every company. My employee training system trains all 3, the owner, the trainer, and the cleaner. First, as the owner, you will learn proprietary business secrets and my unique approach to improving and systemizing your training. Second, you get first person train the trainer with this program. That means you literally have your trainers sit and take the training so you don't have to teach it. I do the work for you. I teach directly to the training managers. And third, we teach the cleaner. The Speed Cleaning book and instructional DVD are included in the kit. This employee training system is complete. It's guaranteed to be the only training program you will ever need. I've used this concept in my own business for over 25 years. The program comes with all the training, both DVD and online, all the follow-along workbooks, the English and Spanish version of the Speed Cleaning Training book, all the downloadable forms which you can customize with your own branding, plus beautiful certificates you can present to your employees after training or during staff meetings. And lastly, the 13 rules bookmarks you can give out at your staff meetings and during retraining events, which I teach you how to hold annually. Best of all, if you don't love it, send it back for a full refund with my no-risk money-back guarantee. More freedom, more money, less chaos awaits you. What are you waiting for? Take action today.